Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Sync. Today we will be sharing tips to crack your interview and provide all the details you need to ace it. Let's get started. Let's start with our intro. So we have to prepare a self introduction very efficiently. We should have your personal information like name, location, academic backgrounds, and technical skills after the personal information. Your core programming languages, framework, tools you used during the projects also, and any certification you have done. After that, you should tell your work experience if you have. If you are a fresher, then move on to your project. Briefly describe previous roles or notable projects you have done. Then coming to strength and soft skills like problem solving, teamwork, and adaptability. After that, career aspiration, interest in the role, willingness to learn, and alignment with long term goals. Or it's optional, you can tell your hobbies and interest if required. If he is asked for 1 minute brief interview, so you can tell them. Now, coming to your project part. So, you should briefly tell the title of your project, then objective. What is the objective of your project? Why you have made that purpose and problem of the project aim to solve, then technology used in that project like their tools, languages, frameworks, database implemented, and other. Coming to your role, if you have created that project in a team member in a team, you have to specify a role in which background you have, like background, front end, in database, whatever you have done. Please specify it. Now, what are the outcome of your project's results achieved or impact created? Example, improved efficiency, work prototype, or successfully deployment. And what are the key learning skills from the project you have gained through it? Now coming to basic core subjects. So if you are from CSE branch, you have to also prepare basic about your project and as well as your core subjects like data structure. Go through a quick revision of array English trees, sorting, searching. It's not asked every time, but they ask sometime what is your least favorite subject and why, and what is your favorite subject and why it is. So you should prepare them well, like database, MySQL, SQL question. They sometimes ask these questions. Now operating systems, basic of OS, process management, computer network, OSI, OOPS concept, web development, HTML, CSS. Please prepare them well. Now coming to your one programming language. Sometimes they ask about your language. Mainly they always ask OOPS concept. So please prepare a core concept like syntax, data types, operators, control set statement, loops, and OOPS concept is must. Please keep in mind that they every time ask OOPS concept with example. So brush up with these concepts as well as collection framework, list, set map, queue, and their implementation. If you can cover these three topics, then you are done for your interview. Now, most frequently asked questions. You should know about the Accenture and its services. What are your strengths and weakness? How would you handle a disagreement with a team member? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? How do you handle work under pressure? Describe a situation where you worked in a team and faced challenges. So these are the questions they frequently asked. I will be providing more questions in the upcoming videos. So you should brush up with these questions also and prepare well for these questions. Now, do you have any question for me? This question is asked in every interview at the end of your interview. So please you can ask these questions. What does a typical day look like for someone in this role? What programming language and technologies will we primarily be working with? How does the team handle challenges and collaborate on projects? What opportunities for growth and learning does the company offer? What are the most important qualities you look for in a successful team member? How does the company support professional development for freshers? You can ask any one of the questions. And now, coming to the most important tips to follow up. Know about the company, research and Research the company history, mission service, recent achievements, headquarters, and other. Stay updated, keep yourself informed about the current industry trends and technologies. Take tips from your seniors. You can ask your seniors to give some advice for the interview. They will really provide you some good information that you should follow up them. And dress appropriately. Wear formal attire that reflects professionalism. Set up your environment. Ensure to be in a quiet place. Will let and organize space for the interview. And there should be no background voices and other things. And be confident. Speak clearly, maintain good posture, and express your answers with assurance. Keep these tips in mind so that you can be very helpful. So please subscribe to our channel Career Sync. We will be bringing more detailed videos to help you in your career journey. Stay tuned and follow up. Thank you.